Ngayon tanungin natin kung sino po ang pwedeng mag-explain. Chef Lee at yung kakambal. Interviewin natin about their dish.
Okay, for our appetizer, we have the garlic bread, and we topped it with feta salad.
Oh,
In case you don't want the salad on your bread, we have it without the bread. We topped it here for additional flavor and crisp. For our main entree, we have the versimilli sotanghon, we fried it. And then we have the creamy chicken. We're gonna top it on the crispy versimilli noodles.
Parang dito pa kailangan tissue, kailangan.
Parang inanasabihan tayo.
Yes. So you have to incorporate the sauce. So for the perfect experience, you incorporate the sauce onto the crispy noodles. Best served when hot. So I hope you all enjoy our.
Na-explain mo ng maigi yung pagkain kasi.
Okay.
Dahil na kailangan incorporate.
Oh, okay. Let's do so. Okay. Just like so. The incorporation.
Parang crispy palabok ang atake.
Correct. So, crispy
Pag hindi nag-dissolve yung palabok ninyo, magkakaroon.
Ano na po siya, crispy na siya.
Okay.
Because very versatile po yung ating versimilli.
Ipasok niya yun.
Ganda.
Best also with chicken. If you're crispy.
Yung gusto ko nang iuwi yung isang plato.
May pasabog. At saka, may artista. May tagahimay. Oo, may tagahimay. Ganyan yung kinakainan namin fine dining restaurant.
Parang gusto nila na parang carbonara crispy na chicken na versatile with sauce with a bread. So, salad, meron tayong bread, appetizer, everyone's effort talaga.
Ang galing.